Alright, she's in. I haven't got the oil pan under it yet. It's sitting over there. Couldn't work out how to sequence things. But it'll go under. So getting it in was a bit of a mission. So I had it delivered on the driveway, if I remember our edited stills here, underneath the hoist that I have up here. And then I lifted it up a little bit, and I sort of built this rickety tower of old stair treads underneath it. Nailed it together with some, I bought this pine, that's why it's overshoots, because I didn't want to cut it up just for this purpose. And it's sitting on a steel trolley that I welded up years ago to hold the trailer. So yeah, I gingerly lowered it down onto this rickety stack here. It's not that rickety. I was very nervous moving it. I was worried that this whole house of cards would just collapse, but it's relatively stiff. Then I strapped the whole assembly to the workbench so it wouldn't kick back, and then I worked the pallet over to the end and then lifted one end off and the other end off and onto the bench. At no point did I feel at risk of death, but it's probably a reasonably safe option, all told. So now we're going to put the chip guard or the splash guard thingy back on the back of it and work out how to get the pan underneath it. It's not unmanageably heavy. Like I can pick up one end of it at a time, but it's not fun. Alright, I'm gonna clear all this out, break it all down, get ready to put it for council pickup, and then start commissioning the lathe. I've got to start by cleaning off all this lathe snot. Okay, bye bye.